Excuse me. Today is your English voice test. So are you ready for that? Okay. One by one I'm coming and I will talk to you. Now give me a good performance, okay? One by one I'm coming and you have to reply me. So guys, I can see that you are talking to each other. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Vaibhav.
Bebo, for how many days have you been learning here?
I have been learning for 2 months.
So are you weak in English?
Yes, I am weak in English, but I growing up day by day.
Okay, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Harsh Kashyap.
Who is sitting in front of you?
Sir, he is Vaibhav.
Okay, you know what I'm doing? I'm just trying to check that for how many days have you been here,
Yes.
and how is your English?
Sir, basically my English in weak, but I am joining this coaching for improving my English
So
day
how
by
do you
day.
know him? Who is sitting in front of you?
Sir, when I'm join this coaching, he comes after 3 days, uh, and then I made my friend, and I know him.
What's your name?
My name is Parth.
Parth, for how many days you have been here?
I have been 2 months.
So what did you learn?
I learned how to speak in English, how to behave, everyone, and how to stand properly.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Pratham Agrawal.
Pratham, are you also learning English here?
Yes, I also learning English here.
So what do you think? Are you growing up that little big, very big English?
Yes, I growing up.
Okay, let me talk to you. Who is it who's sitting in front of you?
He is Parth.
How is he according to you?
He is good. According to me, he is very good in studying also.
Does he talk to you in English?
Yes.
Does he play with you in the class?
Yes, sometimes, but always no. No, always, sometimes.
Okay, I will join you after 2 minutes. Let me ask you. There are many students, and it is getting late. Also, parents are also waiting to pick up them. So we are getting late. So one by one, I'm coming, and I'm giving only 1 or 2 minutes. What's your name?
My name is Rohan.
Rohan, are you also learning English?
Yes, of course.
When from have you been here?
I have been here for 2 months.
So what do you think? Are you weak in English or are you good in English?
I am weak English, but day by day I am growing up.
Okay, I will join you after 2 minutes. Actually, it's getting late. It's too late. Let me talk others. Here are also some boys and girls. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Sanju.
So I can see that you are 3, and what are you doing here?
We are talking to English.
What about are you talking?
I am talking to my structure.
Okay, I'm talking about the which you have studied.
Yes, sir.
So why are you learning English?
I am learning English to comfortable job.
Okay, and how is he according to you? Who is sitting in front of you?
He is good according to me.
Does he talk to you in English?
Yes, he talk to English.
Okay, nice talking to you. Here are 3 girls. What's your name?
My name is Shreya.
Shreya. So for how many days have you been here?
I have been for 2 months.
For 2 to 3 months. So are you weak in English that you joined spoken classes?
Yes, I was joined there. I was weak, and day by day I growing up because I talk in English to other girls.
Okay, so should I give you task?
Yes, sir.
Will you take a part in that? Suppose you are coming from school and you saw something on the way on the road. So I'm making a story. You have to create a story. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
So you were coming from school. You saw something on the road. Be a part of that story. What did you see? Tell me.
I was seeing on the road. There was an accident, and I helped them. Then they go in a hospital. Then I came my home.
Oh, are you learning? Have you been learning for 2 months?
Yeah.
So is she also in that story?
Yeah, she is my friend, and she is coming with me.
Okay. We are making a story.
Yes.
She told me a story, and you have to be a part of that story. She saw me that when she was coming from school, she saw an accident on the road. Were you also with her?
Yes, I was also with her.
So, how did you react when you saw a live accident in front of you?
I was shocked and also feared because of they have loss of blood. So I was feared at that time.
So who is she? Is she your childhood friend?
Yes, she is my childhood friend.
So wherever does she go, you come behind of her.
Yes.
So tell me, did you explain about that incident to your parents?
Yes, I explained them. I told everything that had.
You are very intelligent than her. Let me give you some other task.
Yes, you can.
Suppose I'm giving a complaint to be a part of that story. She is my sister. How dare you to touch her and how dare you to abuse her in the class?
Maybe you have some misunderstanding. I didn't touch her.
But she is taking your name that you pushed her when she was studying in the class.
No, you can ask her. I didn't abuse her.
Accept your mistake. Is this right?
Why?
You are talking to elders?
Please calm down. Just listen to me. I didn't abuse her. You can ask her.
But everybody, when I asked to everyone, says they took your name. Now, don't take your words back.
I didn't abuse her. You can ask her.
What happened? You tell me.
When I was studying in the classroom, she came and she started disturbing me. And I told her that I am completing my notes, so please don't disturb me. But she did repeated that 3 times. I told her, but she didn't. And when I didn't heard her, she abused her.
You are outstanding here. What do you say about her? How is she in English?
She is very brilliant in English. Just you can see that.
Yeah, I can see that, and everybody are watching. Nice talking to you. I will see you after 2 minutes. What's your name?
My name is Vanshi.
Himanshi. When from have you been also here?
I have been since for 2-3 months.
So are you also weak in English that you join
Yes,
spoken classes?
I'm weak in English.
Why learning English?
Because I explain it. According to me, mostly nowadays our English is most important in every day, like school, colleges, in interview, and if so, if going to another state, then now their local languages, and I'm not communicate him, and then
Okay, nice talking to you. Guys, you are outstanding. And everyone are outstanding. Let me talk to another. I'm getting late. What's your name?
my name is Sadhya.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
So you are learning English also, right?
Yes, I learning.
So when from have you been in this academy?
I am coming in this academy 3 months.
Okay, who is he? Who's sitting in
He is
front of-
my brother.
How is he according to you?
He is according to me weak in English.
Okay, so do you teach at home?
I teach it. He is home.
Guys, one last but very important question. There are many spoken classes in Bhilai and Durg. Why is Safalta only?
Because it is near to our house, and also I heard many things from people that they told me that Sunil sir teaches personally to each and every student. So when I came here, then I realized that people were talking truth about this, and the sir teaches very. I was weak first, and I became confident. As you can see, I'm talking in front of you.
And that is because of Safalta's problem.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful program. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.